On the surface, powered subwoofers seem like a good idea to those looking for an easy upgrade to their audio system. They require minimal installation, are affordable, and don't take up too much space. But what exactly are you getting out of them for performance? Let's take a look at Kenwood's new KSC-SW11 powered subwoofer, but only puts out 75 watts RMS power according to Kenwood. Stay tuned in a minute for an audio sample. I understand that the incentive to buy a powered subwoofer is the convenience of a system being a simple and easy installation. But for $230, I better be getting every single one of those watts, because if not, this isn't much of an upgrade from a factory system. Included with the powered subwoofer is a wired remote control with 16-foot cord, 14-foot speaker level input cable with male stereo RCA jacks on one end and speaker wire with bullet connections on the other, 16-foot power harness with female RCA jacks, and installation accessories. One of the pros to this amplified subwoofer is it will fit just about anywhere. The dimensions of the enclosure are 11 inches in length, 7.5 inches in width, and 2 3/4 inches in height. Even with these compact dimensions, Kenwood managed to stuff an 8 1/4 by 5 1/8 woofer into the enclosure. It also has a fairly low frequency response, so it's going to provide that bump in the lows you would want from a subwoofer. The bottom of the enclosure houses the remote control and power harness inputs. The harness connection will be how you send the signal from your source to the amplifier. Okay, let's play some music from the KSC-SW11 and see what it sounds like. For $230, again, you're only getting 75 watts RMS of bass. Would you pull the trigger on that? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, join the conversation below, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.